Hey guys, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Explorer Dinesh. अब अगर इंट्रो पसंद आया हो तो एक लाइक तो बनता है बॉस। We started from assembly point at 3:30 am and then we reached Metro Cash and Carry at 4:30 am, which was our starting point. This was our beautiful DOMINAR lineup. लग रहा है ना बजाज फैक्ट्री के बाहर खड़े हैं। And soon the rumbling and roar started. And now our journey begins. After 60 kilometers of riding, we reached the event venue Dharamsi Resorts, located at Kunigal Road. Unlike last year, this time there were few superbikes. Well, I know the food was super tasty and the event was so entertaining that we decided to run away as soon as possible. And do the one thing that we love the most, that's riding. And of course, drone shots. That's all for today, friends. See you in the next video. Till then, ride safe and keep exploring. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel. This keeps me motivated. See ya. Bye.
DOCB!